Hello everyone. Today I am Ms. Preeti Shevare, a third year student of Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies. I am going to present a country called as Morocco. Morocco is a pristine country of North Africa. Morocco is a country bordering the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea. It is distinguished by the three cultures, that is Berber, Arabian and European. This is the flag of Morocco. The red background of the Moroccan flag represents hardiness, bravery, strength, and valor, while the green represents love, joy, wisdom, peace, and hope. It also represents the color of Islam, and the pentagram represents the seal of Solomon. The five branches also represents the pillars of Islam. Rabat is the capital of Morocco. It is one of the beautiful city in Morocco. The currency of Morocco is Moroccan dirham. The language spoken in Morocco is Arabic, French and Berber. Also, people speak Spanish and English. Whenever you hear about a country, you definitely get curious about the cuisine. So the cuisine of Morocco is being highly influenced by four cultures: Berber, Jewish, Arabs and French. First dish that comes to the mind is tagine. Tagine is a clay cooking pot with a conical lid and multiple types of dishes slowly cooked inside. The dish can be lamb, beef, chicken, veggies, etc. You can get it anywhere on the roadside shops, cafes, restaurants. Second comes the national dish of Morocco, that is couscous. Couscous has the origin of Morocco and is typically served with meat or vegetable stew. It is prepared on the Muslim holy day, that is Friday. Third comes the dish fish chormula. Chormula is a mix of herbs and spices used when grilling or baking fish or seafood. Depending upon mix, you will get the flavors of onion, coriander, chili, pepper and saffron. Harira, the fourth dish, Moroccan lentil soup served with starter used during Ramadan for breaking the fast at dusk. And the last dish is basila, chicken or pigeon pie. It is a sweet and salty pie, also spelled as pastilla. The flaky pie is traditionally made with pigeon but more commonly served with chicken now. Now comes the tourist attraction point. First is Asila, a town on Morocco's Atlantic coast south of Tangier. It has an exhibition center, space center of Dey Hassan II. Second tourist attraction point is Chefchaouen. It is a city in the Rif mountain of the northwest Morocco. It is known for the striking blue washed buildings of its old town. The blue color resembles the color of sky and heaven. Also gives a message of being connected to the spirituality. Also, it attracts tourists from 1970s. Third destination is Altas Mountain. The mountain extends from 2,500 kilometers across northwestern Africa and ends up being coastline of Sahara Desert. The highest peak is 4,167 meters, Toubkal, which lies within the Morocco's Toubkal National Park. Here comes the fourth destination, Erg Chebi. Large dunes formed by the wind-blown sand. There are several other ergs also. There are pre-Sahara steppes and not the Sahara Desert, which lies some distance to the south. The fifth destination is Jama El Fana. It's a square and marketplace in Marrakesh Medina quarter. It remains the main square of Marrakesh used by tourists. Then comes the question, which are the major cities of Morocco? First is Casablanca. Atlantic port of Casablanca is by far the largest of all the Moroccan cities and one of the most important cities in all of the North Africa. Second is Meknes. Dating back to the 11th century, the old city of Meknes was one of the capital of Imperial Morocco. The sculptures or the walls also built in this city is due to the royal dynasty which protected the Moroccan city by the stores. City is the Rabat city. Capital of Morocco sits on the bank of Bergreg River, famous for its Islamic architecture. Now comes the amazing facts of Morocco. First is, The second largest film set in the world was located in Morocco. Secondly, Morocco exports more than 90,000 tons of dates each year all around the world. Third, national animal of Morocco is Barbary lions. So, Morocco is a country blessed with the Islamic culture and also with the beauty of nature. Thank you.